get what we give.
Good morning, you guys, or good afternoon should I say. It's definitely like 3 p.m. 2:43. Getting ahead of myself, but it's almost 3. I'm just starting to vlog now. This morning I just went for breakfast with a special little someone. I hate being like all elusive and just super mysterious about everything, but you guys will see them on my channel eventually, I'm sure. But yeah, I just went for breakfast and hung out, watched a bit of The Office. Great show. I'm on season 2. Don't spoil it for me, please, because I definitely saw something on Twitter the other day and it almost broke my heart. But yeah, that's been my morning, and now I am finally getting on with my day. Not that my day wasn't on, but like I'm actually doing stuff now. I think the first thing that I want to tackle is my room. I just really want to give it like a nice deep clean. It's not really that messy, but it just, you know, it needs a little tidy up. So I think I'm going to do that, especially before uni starts. I just want to start off on the right foot. You know what they say, clean room equals a clean mind. And when I'm organized and just like on top of my shiz, I'm so much more motivated and just inspired to do everything. And that's the kind of attitude I want to start the semester with and hopefully continue with. So I think I'm gonna do that today, and then I have a couple of uni things to sort out. I just can't believe uni is next week, literally in 5 days from now. Oh my god. It's fine, it's fine, I'm fine, it's fine. It's no biggie. I know in some states, like I'm pretty sure Queensland have already gone back to uni this week. Shout out to you guys, honestly, the real troopers of the world. Yesterday I actually got the course outline for a couple of my classes, which is exciting and also very overwhelming. And so I started making my little assessment spreadsheet. I just like to do this at the beginning of every semester. Usually at the beginning of the semester, each class you will get your topic guide or your course outline, and it will have like all of your due dates for the semester, except if you're doing 4 units like I am, that's 4 separate documents. What I like to do is to take all of those due dates and condense it into one spreadsheet, split it up by month, write it in chronological order, and then I know exactly what's due and exactly what takes priority. I even put in like how much of my grade it's worth, just so I know like what's important and like what's less important. Yeah, I did this last semester and it really helped. I'll show you guys. So this is kind of what it looks like. Like I said, I only got the course outline for 2 of my classes so far, so it's pretty much going to double in size, which is fun. And then this is the finished product. I'm not gonna lie, it is pretty time consuming. Like this may or may not have taken me an hour or so to do, and this is only 2 subjects worth of due dates to condense, but it's worth it. It is. It really just gives me so much clarity and peace of mind, and just helps with feeling overwhelmed. Uni can sometimes be very overwhelming. I don't know if it's just me, but I don't think I'll ever get used to it. Yeah, I did this last semester and it just really helped. I'm pretty sure I was inspired to do this by Rachel Catherine here on YouTube. I'm sure you already all know who she is. Actually, I noticed a bunch of you guys came over from her channel. She mentioned me in one of her recent videos. She did a like favorite smaller Australian YouTubers and mentioned me, which firstly, it's an honor to even be mentioned, and secondly, such beautiful words. Oh my god, like anytime I need a self-esteem boost, I'm just gonna go back and watch that video because she spoke so highly of me. It actually brought tears to my eyes. Like I'm not even being dramatic. Oh, it got me emotional. It really did. She is just the most beautiful, kind-hearted soul, and the fact that she just made that video because she wanted to share the love just goes to show what kind of person she is. She is just so generous, so kind-hearted, and one of my favorite people in the world. That's big. Not even on YouTube, just the world in general. She's just like my inspiration, especially when it comes to uni. Like anytime I just need a little bit of motivation, a little kick up the bahootie, I will go ahead and watch one of her videos and I will just feel so inspired. She is just my inspiration in life, even though she's younger, but I'm telling you, she's a great gal. And if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll have a link to it down below. Especially if you're looking for any like smaller Australian YouTubers. Literally everyone she mentioned I love. And I don't know about you guys, but I just find watching Australian YouTubers, especially like smaller ones, it's just so much more relatable. I love it. I really do. So yeah, thanks Rach, and thanks for inspiring me to make my little assessment spreadsheet. I'm pretty sure it's her, or good if it's not, but I'm pretty sure it's her. I mean, she is my inspiration in life, so it's probably where I got the idea from. And it's just really effective. I would really recommend doing it. Just seeing what you've got to do month by month, it really just eases the mind. What am I even saying? I don't know. I'm gonna actually get cleaning. Let's start the time lapse. Kitty winks. I haven't said kitty winks in like 10 years and I probably won't ever again.
trying to forget who we wanna be, trying to just breathe and be carefree, baby, you and me. Head up in the stars, driving fast cars, feeling like we're outlaws with our deep scars and our fast cars. I'm sorry that we're not who you want us to be. I'm sorry that we never got a degree. I'm sorry that I'm always feeling me and not you. I'm sorry that I'm all up in my own head. I'm sorry that we never go to bed. I'm sorry that we're driving a little too fast, but wouldn't you?
Wow, look at that progress. My room is looking so clean. I dusted everything. I cleaned like the glass on top of my vanity. I have the Windex bottle just chilling here. I organized my perfumes. And then I had a pile of stuff here that I just organized. Yeah, it's actually looking pretty good apart from this. This is all of my stuff for uni. And then this is like a bag full of makeup that I need to give to my friends. But other than that, I am pretty happy with my efforts. You know what, I think I'm actually gonna end the vlog here. I just took off my makeup and I'm ready to go take a shower and relax for the night. I could continue vlogging, but I know myself, and if I don't stop vlogging now, then I'm not gonna edit this video and get it up tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!